welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiffany, and long time no see. I have been slacking, but I'm gonna make it up to you guys because I have been busy making this cute little pocket top, and yes, it actually has pockets. You guys love my spring top tutorials, so I figured since everyone loved it, why not make something else? And the inspiration from this is from the queen herself, Kylie Jenner. And the best part is I also made a pattern for you guys. As always, I have your back, and I'll be teaching you guys how to like cut out the pieces, how to make it. So yeah, if you guys want to check these out, you can get them down below in the description. I'll have them linked to my Etsy. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram because that's usually where I post my projects first. And you guys will get the exclusive sneak peek and also just fashion info in general. So definitely go check those out. And yeah, let's get on with the video.
Okay, so to start off, we're going to take the pattern and you're basically going to pin it down, trace it, and then cut around all of the pieces that you're going to need. So once you have everything cut out, you're going to take the back panel that's going to be for the pocket, and you just want to make sure that you put the darts in the right place. So you're going to flip over the pattern piece to make sure you have the left and the right side and that they're in the right position, and just pin them down. And this is the front end. You're going to pin together with the right sides inwards, so when you fold it back outside like I'm showing here, it's basically going to be all nice and clean. So for the actual sewing, I just used a normal straight stitch and some thread to make sure that everything was secured. So basically you're going to take the pocket and fold the right sides together, pin them down, and then sew them. That way you're going to have some nice clean finished edges when you flip it inside out, and just make sure you pull out the little corners. And then for the top, you're just going to snip the middle and you're going to fold it down. That way you can top stitch from the outside and make sure that everything has a nice clean finished edge. Once you're done with everything, you should have a left and a right side, and just make sure that everything is facing the right direction. And then to actually assemble the pocket, you're going to take the right sides facing together and just pin it down. That way when you sew, it's a lot easier. And simple straight stitch, and then you're going to want to cut off the edges so when we fold it inside out, it lays nice and flat. So you're going to have them one for each boob, obviously, and then you're just going to hem the inside. Yours is going to look a little bit different because this was my first try, so I altered the pattern a little bit. And you're just going to pin the top of the pocket flap to the back of the bralette, so when you fold it over, it closes, and you're just going to align the edges so that they kiss together. So once we're done with all that, I like to pin it on the mannequin just to make sure everything looks okay. Pockets are flat, and we're going to cut out the middle piece. This is like the little connector, just a straight stitch, fold it inside out so we have nice clean edges. You guys know the drill. Alright, and then for the two tie pieces for the back, you're just going to want to do the same thing, fold it inside out, and these can be measured and adjusted to your size. So once we have everything, you're just going to lay it out to make sure everything looks okay, and I would recommend doing this through every step to make sure that you're not missing anything, and you don't have to go back like 50 times like I did. So what you're going to do is just take a seam ripper and go down wherever the pattern says to attach the little middle piece, or wherever it fits best on you. So if you need to adjust it, obviously do that. And so here I basically just wanted to show you guys that you're going to seam rip a little hole and basically just tuck in the little pieces. That way you don't have any like nasty raw edges hanging out, and you're just going to top stitch down both sides. And I didn't show it here, but you're going to do the same exact thing for the outside pieces. So just seam rip, and it should be the full length for the pocket, and you're just going to top stitch that as well. That way you can attach the closure to the back and you'll be good to go.
Okay, so once you have the pocket, it's going to stick up once you put it on. So I would iron it on the fold, and then also maybe put magnets or like buttons on the ends so that it actually stays closed, just so it doesn't look weird on. So I used for the closure in the back a regular, I guess you can get these at like sewing stores, but I recycled them from an old bra I had, as well as the straps that just happen to be the same color. So these are just sewed onto the actual pocket bralette, and on the pattern it kind of says where it goes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and that it was easy to follow along. If you guys have any questions, comment down below or just DM me on Instagram. And then also, if you guys decide to make this, definitely tag me because I want to share your beautiful creations. don't forget to subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah.